So if stuff is working intermittently and you want to know if your wire is bad, I'll show you a quick thing. So here you can see the wire is really bad, but we can actually tell which of these conductors it is that's not working. So the first step, get your voltmeter, have one that beeps, and you just go between every one. Make sure you have no connection between any conductor and the cable. This is an 8-conductor cable, so you have to do 64 checks because you're doing between every conductor. You've got to make sure that there's no connection between any individual conductor. So once you do that, then it's time to come check if the conductor actually connects the whole way through. And you do that by putting them into pairs and basically connecting the pair at the far end. So this is, because this is in a 1,000-foot building, so we're at the far end. We tied these into 4 pairs because we're going to check if these actually conduct. So now we got those in the pairs. We're back here at the beginning, and we check our ohms through the pair. Ooh, there's no ohms. This is an open circuit. That means in the brown, we've got the browns tied together here, but yet there's no conductivity through the brown pair. That means it's bad. Try the blue pair. Oh, there's none through there. That means there's no connection because there's through the blue pair. The orange pair, no connection either. Ooh, the green pair, we had a connection. We had continuity through the green pair. But that means in this bad spot, only the green pair is good anymore. So that's how you check. First of all, to repeat what we did, we checked to make sure they're with the tails loose and hanging open, that none of the wires touched each other. Then we went along and made pairs out of them so we can check the ohms of the loop. And of this bad spot, there's only one pair that is still good, and that's this green pair. So if you were hard up and you were only using 2 out of the 8, you just switch over to the green pair and you could actually make it work again. And then in future unplanned maintenance, you could change the cable. So that is how you check for bad cable.